the f***? You serious? Dude, my account just got banned. All of it. That was me last week, literally out of nowhere. My 880,000 followers on TikTok, poof, gone, disappeared, deleted. And I had no explanation why, not even a warning. It was gone. But I managed to get it back within 48 hours, and that's what I'm gonna explain to you in case that ever happens to you. On top of that, with my 880,000 subscribers, I'll share how much money I make from TikTok, and I bet it's not what you think what TikTok actually pays me. This is how this whole disaster started. I posted a video like I normally do with my pitch on how to make money online, and it got flagged right away.
No! God, please, no! No!
In a matter of a couple hours, it had over 200,000 views, and the momentum was quickly stopped. I was pissed.
Daddy, chill.
I submitted an appeal, and guess what? TikTok went back and said, sorry, we didn't mean to stop your viral video. And I thought everything was great. But then the next morning, I woke up, and that's when I saw this terrible alert. That I hope you never get to see, which basically says, you've been banned from TikTok. The first thing I did, of course, which any one of you should do, is scream, panic, what the hell? But after, deep breaths, I reached out to a few content creators who I thought might have any type of connection on TikTok. I thought having 880,000 followers on TikTok would mean, I'd get the royal red carpet treatment on TikTok. No, I'm just a pawn. I'm just a number. So I reached out to other people and finally got connected to someone who works at TikTok. This gentleman, I got connected with him, I got his number, and of course I called him, super cool, calm, and collected. Dude, I just been banned on TikTok, please help me. Because this TikTok channel of mine is not just about followers. It's my business, it's my livelihood. I make money from TikTok. TikTok pays me, I get brand deals, and I'm gonna show you how much TikTok actually pays me too at the end of this video. But I also drive leads through that. My whole life is around here. So it is a big deal to have it vanish in an instance. So I connected with this TikTok employee and he said a text message, which I'll never forget, I got this, hold on for a second. Hours went by and then I got another message that says, hey, you're reinstated. And that was that. Literally a message from basically a stranger to him, he basically was able to save my account. And if it wasn't for the network that I've built along the way, I would have been absolutely screwed. I'm not an insider on TikTok. I did not know any employees before, but just by reaching out to other content creators, someone knew someone. And this is a great lesson in life, not just for TikTok, but in general, that when you build relationships with people, whether you need something or one day you might need someone else's help, you can rely on other people's networks. If I was an ass or a douchey and I didn't care about making relationships, I would have not had that connection who saved basically my ass. So after I got saved from TikTok, I basically was like, dude, can I please take you out to dinner on a true bro date, which I did because he actually was here in Austin. We went out to dinner. It was actually last night. Took him to a fine dining restaurant. Of course, he just saved my TikTok. I was like, please eat and drink whatever you'd like. And I got to learn some insights about TikTok that kind of blew my mind. So when you create content online on TikTok, it gets flagged by an algorithm to prevent basically scams and criminal activities and all kinds of arrays of things. My channel, and I talk about money, and often that's flagged, investments, because there's really bad people on the internet who try to steal from people and scam people. And one thing that my video that got flagged was about illicit or explicit content that was illegal. Like I was like drugs or something. And that's clearly not what happened, and I shouldn't have ever been blocked. And so I try to get explanation like what happened, why did that happen, why did that mistake happen? And essentially what it comes down to is the algorithm flags it, but a human reviews it. And the human may not understand that a real legitimate business opportunity from a potential scam. And these humans are not incentivized to basically take risks, because if they have a video go on TikTok that actually is a scam and it starts getting traction and then people get scammed, guess who's going to be at fault? It's that employee. So rather than be lenient on, well, I'm not sure about this, what I was talking about was Skillshare, I've never heard about it, I'll see, I think it's okay. They don't do much due diligence, they just kind of go on the stance of I'd rather not risk my job, so I'm just going to flag it. And that's what happens. So if you're ever curious, when you have a content get suspended, it's usually you're usually not doing something wrong unless you are. It's usually that human error factor that's just saying, I think this is not, I'm not going to risk it today with this content. All right, so I also promised I was going to share with you a little bit of how much money I make from TikTok. Specifically, TikTok does pay me per 1,000 views. I believe it's like 3 cents every 1,000 views. So if you do the math on that, you need a lot of views to be making money, but I'll just review a couple numbers I had. So, and the analytics that comes with it. So on February 27th, I made $10.11 that day. On February 26th, I made $13.75. So in total, TikTok specifically has paid me $3,122.45. And then I'm gonna go to analytics just so I can say, you can have a context on how many views I got on the 27th and the 26th. And so on the 27th, I got 355,000 views. And on the 26th, I got 450,000 views. So yeah, now you have a little bit of relationship of how many views you need to get to make money. It's not like YouTube. YouTube pays you a lot more, but the power of TikTok is not in what TikTok pays you, it's with the traffic. So I actually have a solid business and my own product, my own trainings and courses that I monetize through my TikTok. And if I look at my last 4 weeks, my own product strictly from TikTok's made $39,000. That's where the real money is at, is creating your own products and having something to sell. Well, getting TikTok banned definitely taught me a lot of things. I hope you also learned from this video. For me specifically, it taught me that anything can happen and you have to be prepared to diversify basically your audiences, your traffic, and just know that we're playing in someone else's sandbox in which we don't control and they can change the rules at any point in time. On top of that, I just want to know if you've had any trouble with your content or hopefully your channel getting blocked. If there's any way that I can help you, make sure you comment your TikTok. If you are a TikToker, I'd love to check it out. Otherwise, I want to say thanks for watching. This is Adrian. Peace and God bless.